Detox, that's a big topic. Everybody's offering products that will help you to detoxify. Everybody talks about the celery juice, how amazing it is to detoxify because it basically reduces the water retention, but it puts a massive pressure on your kidneys. So how to detoxify quickly but safely, and what actually it means quickly. So quickly, it might be even 8 weeks. That's how quick it is. And also safely, that would be, you have to give your body, your kidneys, your gut, and your liver all the building blocks to provide the enzymes that are going to break down the toxins and eliminate it from the body. So it can be, for example, amino acid cysteine, or it can be antioxidants or minerals like zinc and magnesium, and in which combination and when, and also depends what health issues you have. So you can see that it's quite complex, and I don't recommend to go like I did once mistake, going to the detox center in Thailand. I went to Koh Samui for 7 days, and it was the worst experience of my life because it was so strict that it increased cortisol levels. I couldn't sleep. And after 7 days, I was so exhausted that I overate on everything that I was restricted in that resort, and it had no impact, no benefits on my health whatsoever. And also, remember that your body needs to detoxify every single day. So it's all about the consistency. If you would like to learn more on how to detoxify, join the waiting list of my course.